single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Hello everyone. It's Wednesday evening going to Thursday dawn, and padulong ako sa office. And you know, with all this things happening around, my curfew and all the stuff, basin no pareha na sa nigahapon ang hitabo. Galakaw ko gikan Banawa, Macdo Banawa until Capitol. So hopefully we could get a ride tonight padulong sa Fuente, and I'll keep you posted. Alright, look, McDonald's is closed. Okay, again, curfew at 8 p.m. Oops, na beep. Yes! Let's go, let's go, let's go. Ay, salamat. Ay, beep. Tagmalargan eh. Saan ka parking rasan? Let's check. Asa biyahe po sa'yo? Kare? Great, great, great. Oops. Yay. Let's get a seat. So, try to be. And I'm on the way to work. Okay, so we're blessed today kay natay nasakyan nga beep, unlike yesterday nga alay lakad yun, murag sinulog feels kaayo. So I'm just few meters away from the office, and I hope you keep yourselves safe, everyone. Stay at home if walay necessary or unnecessary inyong mga lakaw, like kung maglaag-ag mo, you'd rather have to stay at home, and make sure to wash your hands frequently, and of course stay healthy, take vitamins, drink water every so often, and that's it. Oh, look, Larshan's is closed. Again, all establishments are to close at 8 p.m. And so muna siya itong situation dire karon sa Cebu City. And I think I have to end this vlog. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to subscribe, and have a great day. Keep safe.